Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting tools and safety ready. This saves time and prevents damage. Start with the flat pry tool and gloves. Pry gently at the bezel seam to release clips. If screws are visible, remove them with the Phillips. If clips hold, work opposite sides until the lens pops free. Once done, set the lens aside and inspect the bulb and socket for corrosion or melting, because replacing parts without diagnosing will waste effort. You now remove the bulb carefully. Some are push-fit, others twist out. Feel for retention tabs and pull straight to avoid breakage. Test the removed bulb with a 9V or test light to confirm failure. Then probe the socket for 12V and a good ground, because a bad socket or wiring causes many issues. If the socket shows corrosion, clean it or replace the socket. If wiring is damaged, make the necessary splice or terminal replacement to restore reliable contact. You finish by installing the replacement bulb or repaired socket. Ensure connectors are fully seated and any clips snap back into place. Reattach the lens and screws, then reconnect the negative battery terminal if you removed it. Test the light with the door open and the dome switch in each position, because that confirms both circuits. If it still fails, check the dedicated fuse, verify the door switch operation, and trace harness power. One key tip: use a test light to confirm voltage at each point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.